Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. If you've been in this hobby for more than 5 minutes, you know the drill. You get a new piece of gear, you get it out of the box, and you try to work with it, and you can't figure it out. You go online to Google and you start searching all the forums and all the different posts, and you go way down the rabbit hole, and you only get conflicting answers and nothing working still. Trial and error is fun, but sometimes you just want to get stuff actually working so you can use it. That's why I'm launching the Apex Operator group on Patreon. It's not a tip jar, it's not passive Q&A. It's a monthly one-on-one session where you and 5 other hams can join me in a small group discussion and get things done. It's also a private Discord channel to cut through all of the noise and focus right on the issues that you have. You bring your active projects, your setup nightmares, your FT8 files that just won't get FT8'en. We solve them together in real time. This is about ROI, return on your time. It's for operators who value direct access, who want to skip the comment section chaos, and want to learn from real-world troubleshooting. Because the group is capped at 6 people, everybody gets meaningful, dedicated time on the clock. It's the closest thing to having an Elmer at your workbench without all of the clutter. Now look, I will always keep free content on the channel. I will always do tutorials and help people out. The videos, the public tips, the breakdowns, that's not going anywhere. But my personal time on Earth is finite. I can't do one-on-one tech support for the entire world. So if you're at a point in your hobby where you want to fast track your builds, skip the frustration, and invest in high-level troubleshooting, the link to the Apex Operator group is below. Once those 6 slots are gone, the tier closes. Click the link, sign up on Patreon, and I'll join you in the next call. It's currently May 21st. Next call is coming up real soon in June. Hope you're on it. And if you want to see any more of the free content that I produce, I got another video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.